Space is so incomprehensibly large, so ancient, and so strange that even the smartest scientists on Earth admit they barely understand it. And the more we discover, the weirder it gets. Today, I have 10 facts about space that will genuinely make your head spin. Some of these will make you feel incredibly small. Others will make you question everything you thought you knew about reality. Fact number 1 is something that kept me awake at night. Let's go. Fact number 10. On Venus, a single day is longer than an entire year. Venus rotates so slowly on its axis that it takes 243 Earth days to complete one full spin. But it only takes 225 Earth days to complete one full orbit around the Sun. That means on Venus, the year ends before the day does. And if that is not strange enough, Venus spins backwards compared to almost every other planet. So if you were standing on Venus, you would watch the sun rise in the west and set in the east. Fact number 9. Floating somewhere in the constellation, Aquila is a massive cloud of alcohol. Not a small cloud, a cloud that contains enough ethyl alcohol to fill 400 trillion glasses. It is called Sagittarius B2, and it sits near the center of our galaxy. Scientists discovered it while scanning deep space with radio telescopes. Nobody ordered it. Nobody knows exactly how it got there. It is just floating in space, the largest natural supply of alcohol ever found, completely unreachable by humans. Fact number 8. Space is perfectly, completely, absolutely silent. Sound needs molecules to travel through. In the vacuum of space, there are virtually no molecules at all, so even if a star exploded right next to you, a blast billions of times more powerful than any nuclear weapon ever built, you would hear nothing. Every explosion, every crash, every collision you have ever seen in a space movie is completely fictional. The real universe is happening in total silence. Trillions of stars burning, galaxies colliding, black holes swallowing entire solar systems, and not a single sound. Fact 7. The Sun makes up 99.86% of all mass in our solar system. Everything you can think of in our solar system, all 8 planets, all moons, all asteroids, all comets, all dust, adds up to just 0.14% of the total mass. The Sun is not just big, it is almost everything. Jupiter, the largest planet, is so small compared to the Sun that over 1,300 Jupiters could fit inside it. Earth is not even worth mentioning by comparison. Fact 6. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Every time you go to a beach and pick up a handful of sand, you're holding thousands of tiny grains. Now imagine every beach, every desert, every ocean floor on Earth. Scientists estimate there are around 7.5 quintillion grains of sand on our entire planet. And yet the number of stars in the observable universe is estimated at 1 septillion. That is 1 followed by 24 zeros. More stars than every grain of sand on Earth. And that is only the universe we can see. Fact 5. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon weighs 1 billion tons. When a massive star dies, it sometimes collapses into a neutron star, an object only about 20 kilometers wide, but containing more mass than our entire sun. The material is compressed so tightly that a single teaspoon of it would weigh approximately 1 billion tons on Earth. That is heavier than every mountain on the planet combined. In a teaspoon. Fact 4. You are made of dead stars. Every atom of carbon in your body, every atom of oxygen you breathe, every atom of iron in your blood, none of it was created on Earth. All of it was forged inside stars that lived and died billions of years before our solar system even existed. When those stars exploded, they scattered their atoms across space. Those atoms eventually came together to form our planet. And you. You are not just looking at the universe. You are the universe looking back at itself. Fact number 3. Time is not the same everywhere in the universe. Einstein proved that gravity bends time. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time passes. This is not a theory anymore. It is a measured, confirmed fact. GPS satellites in orbit experience time slightly faster than we do on Earth because they are further from Earth's gravity. Engineers have to account for this difference in their calculations. Otherwise, GPS would give you wrong directions within minutes. Near a black hole, time slows down so dramatically that 1 hour close to it could equal thousands of years passing on Earth. Time is not a fixed river flowing at the same speed everywhere. It bends, it stretches, and gravity controls it. Fact number 2. There is an edge to the universe we can observe, and no matter how advanced our technology becomes, we can never reach it. The universe is expanding in every direction, and the further away something is, the faster it moves away from us. Beyond a certain distance, galaxies are moving away faster than the speed of light. This means there is a cosmic horizon. Light from beyond that horizon will never reach us, not because there is a wall, but because space itself is expanding too fast for the light to cross the gap. There are likely trillions of galaxies beyond that horizon that we will never see, never reach, and never know anything about. The universe is not just big, it is permanently, forever unknowable beyond a certain point. And the number one space fact that genuinely kept me awake at night: everything you have ever seen, touched, felt, or measured in your entire life, every planet, every star, every galaxy, every atom of matter that has ever existed makes up just 5% of the universe. The other 95%, scientists call it dark matter and dark energy. And here is the terrifying part: we have absolutely no idea what it is. We cannot see it. We cannot touch it. We cannot detect it directly. We only know it exists because of the gravitational effects it has on the things we can see. The greatest minds on Earth, with the most powerful instruments ever built, have been studying this for decades. And the honest answer is, we do not know. 95% of everything that exists is a complete mystery. You live in a universe you cannot see, cannot understand, and may never fully explain. And somehow, in all of that darkness and mystery, here you are, existing, wondering, asking questions. Maybe that is the most extraordinary fact of all. So those were 10 facts about space that most people will never stop to think about. Which fact hit you the hardest? Tell me in the comments. I genuinely want to know. And if this video made you feel something, share it with one person today. That is how this channel grows and how I keep making videos like this for you. If you want more facts that change the way you see the world every single week, subscribe. It is free and it means everything. See you in the next one.